kids, today we are going to draw lipsticks. But first we have to learn the color's name. Color's name. First color is, yes, green. Which color is this? It's green. Which color is this? It's orange. Very good. Which color is this? It's pink. Pink color. Which color is this? Yes, tell me. Good. Red color. It's red color. Which one is this? It's yellow. Good. Yellow color. It's black color. It's green color. Very nice. Good. Which color is this? It's purple. Purple color. It's brown color. Brown color. And the last one is, it's dark blue color. Very nice. Now let's start our drawing. Lipstick. The smiley face. Emoji. Lipstick. And these are lips. 1, 2. 2 lipsticks. Now I'm going to draw a third one. Third lipstick. 1, 2, 3. 3. And this is a flower. Flower. This is our fourth lipstick. Lipstick, the fourth one. Heart shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lipsticks. Now let's start coloring. Okay. Choose a color. You like to choose a pink color? Okay, the pink one. Pink lipstick. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink. Now, choose the second color. Purple. Okay. Purple color. Purple color. Choose third color. Orange. Okay, orange color. And for this, we are using yellow color. Yellow. Wow, it's look beautiful. Now we are using red color. Red. Red. R for red. R-E-D. Red. Red lipstick and red lips. Orange color. Orange color. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange flower. Green. Dark green. Dark green. We choose green color to fill the base of the lipstick. Third lipstick. For third lipstick, we are choosing orange color. Orange lipstick. We are making orange lipstick. The blue color for filling the base. For red color is for the plastic base. Red heart. Red heart. Green lipstick. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Purple. We are choosing purple color to fill the base. The base of the lipstick. The covering. And the pink color to completing the base of the last lipstick. It's done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lipsticks.